in HTML, almost the whole body is nested. Now, if you look at it, this is under, I mean, the body is under the HTML element, then you can have a div element, then you can have another div element. Inside that, you can have another span element. Inside that, you can have a, it's endless. So all these elements are actually one under the other. So if you look at it, this whole div, right? This div, see, you can actually collapse that. This is Visual Studio Code's feature. So this is collapsible. Now, if you look at it, this div and this div is basically this opening div and the closing div is a match. So that's how it is. Now, this div can actually have a, this div and this div are child of body. So these two are siblings. So you have to understand the nested way HTML can be constructed. So HTML can have nested elements. Also, it can have child, like how HTML's child is body, body's child is div. This div's child is div, and this div's child is span, and then you can have another span too. So that's how it works. And apart from child, it also has siblings. So this div and this div is sibling. So nested is all that you see.